Hi, in this session I will provide an overview of how VMware can secure modern applications. VMware is a second contributor in Kubernetes development, and VMware also does the security for endpoint, workloads, VDIs, etc. So really, VMware has a big knowledge of everything from Kubernetes to security. And at VMware, we really think that all organizations are trying to innovate faster, to get greater products, and to get more value with them at greater speed. So for this, we have DevOps. And basically, what DevOps is, it is a continuous improvement approach. We can represent it with an infinite loop. And if we think about a traditional application will think about security after the development, so it is really an afterthought. But when we think about DevOps, it's not DevOps, it's plus security, it is DevSecOps, which means that we shift left security, and security is infused all along this development cycle. So how does it work? So basically, when a new project starts at the development, we want to plan something, and when we plan to create a new application, we immediately think about architecture, we think about firewall rules. If it is a small project or a bigger project in a cloud, in multi-cloud, we will also think about load balancing, about service mesh, etc. Once it is planned, the development team will build the application. So how to build an application? We have to write some code, but also we can use some clustered libraries, clustered components or packages that are validated, that are secured with configuration files that are already secured by default. We can also use some previous applications that are in your container registry, like this. And some developers will try to use some public containers, for example, from Docker Hub, but really it's not a good idea because, more than 90% of latest containers that are published on Docker Hub, they contain high or critical vulnerabilities. So you may probably want to disable or to block these kind of containers. So we will build a container here from clustered source, from other application or previous version of your application. And because with the time there are new CVEs every day, it's a good practice, or VMware Security can help you to scan for vulnerabilities and also can help you to sign your code or sign the container. With that, you are sure that you have reduced the attack surface at the minimum. You are sure that what you are building here will be the same content exactly that you will deploy here. Once it is built, it is tested, of course. When it is tested, we can push it in the container registry. But hold on. Before pushing something new, perhaps we'll need to check if this container is compliant. Compliant with what? Compliant with the regulatory standards, compliant with your organization policy, etc. And really, compliance can help you to reduce the risks. So what is compliance for a container? Compliance can be, for example, is my container running with privileges? Is my container running as root? Do I use quotas, minimum quotas, to be sure that my container is able to run correctly? Maximum quotas, to be sure that my container will not use all the CPU or all the memory of my production environment. So this is what we do here. We do compliance. So now we have our new container that is here, and I will take my ops hat, and I will deploy my new container application. Before deploying, of course, I will do a backup. In case something goes wrong, I can go back. I will check the firewall rules. Normally, it's all done, but in production, perhaps networks are different, so we will check this. We will check, of course, everything. We will check the signature. So is it the same that here before? We will check again the vulnerabilities, because perhaps this container was built 1 month ago, and there have been CVEs in between. So we scan vulnerabilities here in the container registries, and we can tell, okay, this one is too old or now contains the vulnerabilities. We don't want to use it anymore. It's okay, my container is running now. It's here. As a ops, what I want to do, I want to monitor. Is my application running smoothly? What are the performance in terms of CPU, memory, disk usage, bandwidth usage, and also I will monitor some alerts. Alerts for antivirus, for EDR, from network traffic analysis, from sandbox, from compliance violation. Compliance is checked here also because it's not the same scope in this part or in this part. So really, here we have the full cycle of a modern development, DevSecOps, with 3 teams, Dev, Sec, and Ops, working together, and with security that is used from day one to protect all the supply chain of your organization. So really, VMware Security can help you in each step of this development pipeline. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to watch the entire series of videos from VMware Security. Thank you.